afternoon, everybody. It's Buck Chiller Repair. Today we are here for one of our site. We are maintaining this site. See, this is my guys now. Is do servicing. They do preventive maintenance on this chiller. We are maintaining this one since 2011. So until now, the other one, we even installed one new chiller here right now. This is the new chiller, chiller number 4. So this one is Berteb Emerson. So I do servicing. This is the servicing guy now. We're doing. We usually do this one every 3 months because the dust here. So if we did not clean this one, it can cause a high pressure to the condenser. It will send alarm. It will now read high pressure. So we need to clean this one every 3 months. This is my guy. He's a level 2 guy, Francis. This is the chiller number 4. This is the new one. We just commissioned this one last year. We used to run this one to test the performance of the chiller. So all this one is Emerson. Even though this one is Berteb, but it's still Emerson. This is a Liebert. This is the front filter of the condenser. So still dirty. See the ground right now. It's very dirty. This is the inner part of the chiller. This is the inner part. So we can do this one, servicing, clean this one. See, we are painting this one before. So we try to make it looks okay, looks fine, so that the customer will be happy that we are doing our job, we are capable to do our job. So first thing to do to this one is you need to off it. You need to off. You off this one, Aaron?
Yeah, it's off.
Let me see this one, the contact. So this one include the contact, so you need to clean it also during
Clean it
servicing.
in a test butter.
During servicing. But still you need to clean something. There's a black spark.
Yeah.
Include this one once. If you are not too busy, you just do the one.
Okay.
You try to avoid issues. This is the one that always run. This might be the body's one. Open this one. Okay. You just clean. See, that contact cleaner is very fine. It turned black one to white.
No, not only that, they did not even clean it. I removed it one after the other. Use
sandpaper?
memory cloth, yes.
No, do not sandpaper.
Light sandpaper, not hard one.
Because you know it's only silver on that one. If that's silver, see the one. This is silver.
Yeah.
This white one.
The one here.
Yes. So most of the people, some people are this one. If they see big one, they will steal it because that one is silver. They use that one for jewelry.
Yeah.
Francis, still black, oh?
It's still black. That's how fences.
No, no, come and spray this side. To this side. Do not too close. Do not too close. Yeah, yeah.
That's his face.
Another thing in this side, Aaron, is in that one, oh.
Yes.
That.
I use small cameras to grab out.
So yes, we need to clean it maybe 2 times a year.
Okay, the filter.
This one.
Yes, yes. We do it every maintenance.
Oh, okay.
I open it from the back, remove the.
Because that one now is dirty.
Yeah, yeah. It's two here and there. Which that's what will.
What happened to fire pump now?
Fire pump.
It's still okay.
Yes, it's okay now. No problem.
Okay, this is the water of the chiller, the way we clean. This is all the control. This is the main control board. This is the expansion valve, EEB, electronic expansion valve module. This one module. So this is the monitor. This other one is for the power monitor. This one is the display monitor.
This is the dust.
I only came here once in a while to do to help my guy, because we have a guy here doing maintenance. So if they need help, like they cannot find the solution of the issue, I will come and help them to come here. Because I have like more than 18 sites that I'm working. This is one of the sites that I'm include to my work. That's the primary pump. All this one is primary pump. We have 2 primary pump. 2 is chiller. I will bring you to the secondary pump. This is our secondary pump. So this pump is like 75 kilowatt pump. This one drive by BSD. See pumping. Drive by the BSD. That is the BSD. This is the second pump, pumping. The drive also by BSD. Both of these pump is running. Pump A and pump B. This is the pipe hose that it goes to the building. All this one is the sensor. For the new technicians, like they are starting with the AC. small, try to learn for the big capacity, because for the big chillers, for the big one like chiller, that is the time that you will earn good money. For that small split unit, the way they pay you is not enough. But if you do chiller work like this, you will earn good money, because this chiller work is only few people can handle this job, and this chiller is an expensive one. So if any question, you are having a problem in your site, like alarms or how the way to resolve the issues, please comment, please subscribe and comment to my video. I will answer you, reply. I will help you how to resolve the issue to the best of my knowledge. We are all the same line of work. Hopefully you will subscribe and like my video. Thank you very much.